You gonna paint my toenails today?
Yeah.
Yes. And are we gonna paint your toenails too?
Yeah.
Yes.
My fingernails.
And your fingernails?
Yes.
I've never done this before. Are you gonna show me? Let's see. What color is that? Pink. You're gonna paint my fingernails pink? Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, I'm a little nervous. Put a little bit more on there. Let's see how it turns out. Is pink your favorite color? Yes.
I'm gonna get blue.
Blue? The balloons? Okay. Let's see what's next. This one? And what is this? What is this? What animal is that? You don't know what animal that is? That may be a duck? Yes, it's a duck. Oh. These look beautiful. Thank you. Ooh. Everybody's gonna be jealous of my beautiful fingernails. I'm all done. How do they look?
Now I'm gonna do mine.
Can I do yours?
No, I can do
You gonna do your own?
mine.
Okay. Ooh. Good job. It looks so pretty. Do I have to wait for mine to dry? Can I blow on them? Should I blow on yours? You paint your other fingernails? Ooh, I like that color on you. Let me see what this is. This is called, what is this called? Look at this. This is interesting. You need more? Okay. I like it. It is beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Can you do my toenails too? How do my toes look? They look pretty good? No, they need some work done to them. Oh, I feel like I'm at a salon. Thank you.
Now pretend you're at salon.
I'm at a salon?
No.
No. I'm at your salon.
No.
Yes.
No.
What about my other toes? I love them.
When I'm gonna do your toes,
You gonna do my other toes? You think this is dry?
yes.
Yes. Oh, it's still a little wet. It's a little wet. Ooh. Oh, thank you. Ooh, look at my toes. Good job. I love my toes. Now I can wear sandals now, right? So everybody can see my pretty toes. You're doing a good job. Should I keep my toes up here to dry? Okay. I like your hands. Oh, you're welcome. You're taking your time. Good job. There you go. You dip it in there, getting a little bit more on there. There we go. Wow, those are so pretty. Pretty fingernails for a pretty girl. There you go. Ooh, can I see? You want to show? You want to show the camera? You want to show everybody? Wow, you did them all by yourself.
No, let me see your other toe.
My other toe?
Yeah.
Okay, can I put it on the table?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm ready. Can you reach them? That tickles. Ooh, that tickles. Oh, I can't wait to see what they turn out like.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is like going to a salon.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're at home. It's our home salon.
Yes, and then my and then
You're doing a good
they're
job.
not pretty colors.
Oh, they're not telling colors? What color is it?
Pink.
Pink. I want to have some pink toes.
You make a pack like a prince.
Like a prince? Like a prince. Yes. And you're a princess. Ooh-wee. There we go. Now, these are beautiful. Okay. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you get that one? Okay. Oh, perfect. All done? Are these dry?
No, they're not. Your other finger.
My other finger?
Yes, because they're not here.
Put them up here.
Yes, put your other finger.
Oh, put the other foot down. Okay. Now put these up here. Put my hands up here. Okay. Now what? What about your toes? Are you going to do your toes or do you want me to do your toes? What should we do? Should I do her toes or do you want her to do her own toes?
I'm going to do my own toes.
You going to do your own toes?
Wait, I'm going to do yours, your thing, your
Oopsie daisies. Ooh. I love it. Ooh.
Mine's new, but not dry.
Yours not dry yet? Maybe we have to wait, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to be a little patient when it comes to this.
Yeah, yes. You touch them, but they're not.
Can I touch them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Maybe a little bit longer.
Mine's dry.
It's dry now?
No.
It's not dry. Maybe a little bit longer. Maybe we keep them right here. They'll dry. You think so? Ooh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Should we do your toenails? You gonna do it? Let's see. Let's see. How are you gonna do it? Maybe you should turn the other way. You turn the other way? There you go. Put it right here. Ooh. Good job. Do you want to face everybody so they can see you? Let's face everybody so they can see your pretty toes. Yeah. Yes. I think everybody loves that. Do you like her toes? I like her toes. You want to show them your toes? Not gonna show them right now?
I'm just thinking I'll show them.
Oh, after you're done painting, you're gonna show everybody? Okay. Ooh, look at her toes. Ooh, they're so pretty. Ooh, I love them. Oh, what does it smell like? Does it smell good? Smell like cinnamon and honey. Cinnamon and honey. You're so funny.
It smells like cinnamon and honey and it's in the table and some couch in there and thing.
So, oh no. Well, this smells good. What about this one? Ooh, it looks so pretty. It tickles. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, I can't wait till it's finished so we can show our toes. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about this, but I love it. I'm glad we did it. Thank you. Ooh, good job. A little bit more. Okay. You did your own toes. Good job. I love it. Shall we show everybody? Not yet. It's not done yet. Okay, let's put it over there. Okay. There we go. Should we show everybody? Do you like it? Yay!
And now let's get down.
You're all done? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.